Oh my god! I mean, oh my girl! Today, oh my girl are having a comeback and this is legit what I'm most excited for. I freaking love Oh My Girl. Their music is amazing. Their personality is amazing. I just love them to pieces. And today, they dropped a new song. Legit, I fell in love with them with Secret Garden, man. Like, that song, it got me tearing up just like all the other songs that they have released. Like, oh, they just got the superpowers to make me cry. I'm not sure about anyone else, but they always make me cry. But yeah, today we shall remember me, because I'm going to be reacting to Remember Me. That was a bad joke, I'm sorry about that. But yeah, I cannot wait for this. I really cannot wait for this. So let's just dive straight on in. Woo! Okay, so we're in banana space. Banana allergy monkey, anyone? No? Just me? Okay, system operation. Oh my girl, remember me. Oh! Oh! Okay, this is a different style. Oh! What the? Benny! Oh, what the? What? What? This is completely... This is like magic. This is like magic. Legit, their song magic. They're going for that style now. What the? Oh! What? I was not expecting this. Yua has become my bias, by the way. If no one knew. Oh my god, everyone's got that red hair. I'm actually going to dye my hair that color. Like, everyone's getting it. And I've been wanting to get it for a while. Oh my beauty. Beauty. Oh, what the? I'm just shook. Like, what? I'm shook, man. This is so good. But it's still got the Oh My Girl taste. This has still got the Oh My Girl taste. I'm sorry, I'm just like trying to focus on this. It's still got their taste, but it's still awesome, you know? Like, they're like going for like this type of style, but it's like, like, what? Magic! See, magic! They're like showing us that this song is like magic. Magic. Hyojung's birthday. Hey, it's my birthday tomorrow! Yay! Damn, she won 7 mil. I can barely win like 10 cents. Oh my god. I will remember you. Don't worry. The fuck? Like, the fuck? Was I's expecting that? Was Yu's expecting that? Like, I's not expecting that. I can't even English good now because I'm shook. I kind of want to watch this again. And that's what I'm gonna do. What the... So we're in space. It says, Oh My Girl 2028? So is this... They want their music to be in space by 2028. Oh my god, that's cool. Anyway, so we got Benny. They're like, got a badass start. Oh my god, I've forgotten quite a few members' names. I feel so bad. See? Oh. So it's like a beta start. And then it's going to like the oh my, it's still got the oh my god taste. Yeah, it's set like for the bridges, for the chorus, man. I love it. Oh my god, Benny, man. Oh. I can't. I can't. 안녕. 아빠지. Oh, oh no, that this is my favorite Oh My Girl song. Like, I thought Secret Garden or Magic, like both of them were so good. I thought no other song could beat them, but bam! Remember Me came along and I'm in love with it. I am... They're back in my top 3 now for like girl groups. It's always like Luna and Oh My Girl, like they keep on switching places, but I think that's not happening anymore, right? This is... Oh, nah, that, how did I not notice that before? What? Oh, no, stop it! Oh, how did I not know she got on the air balloon? Oh. Oh my god! Oh nah, that song's too good. It's too good. Oh, that is such a good song. Oh my girl, I love you. Oh my god, I didn't tear up, but I am freaking happy. Like legit, Oh My Girl have been affecting my life a lot recently. Well, literally they have. Like with this comeback coming, this comeback here, like Spotify, and they just keep on giving me Oh My Girl songs. Legit, I have shuffle on and I got like 3,000 songs on my playlist. And it, like, I keep on getting so many Oh My Girl songs. I was not complaining, I was loving it. And then when I was thinking about that, every time someone sent me a text message saying OMG, I was like, Oh My Girl, do you listen to Oh My Girl? But then I was like, oh no, it's Oh My God. But really, this was so good. Really, really good. Really good. This is my favorite song of the night. Like Pentagon and Shiny, both their songs freaking amazing. But then this, woohoo! This is my opinion. Please don't hate on me. I hate how I have to state this stuff now because people will send me different. I am sorry. People just learn to accept other people's opinions. Oh man, yeah, this is definitely going to be on repeat. This is my favorite song. This is my favorite song from them. So good, so good. Oh my god, I love them to pieces. But like, for a moment, can we just like bend his hair? Yes. Oh my god, I'm gonna get my hair dyed. I don't care what everyone thinks. Oh, you can't get your hair dyed because you're looking for a new job. I don't care. I'm getting it dyed. I just need to have that hair, man. I feel like I could pull off that red. I seriously think I can. But you guys, other than that, this was gonna be all for this video. I hope you guys did enjoy. And if you guys did, then definitely show some support by leaving a like, and also comment down below how much you freaking love this music video, how much you freaking love Oh My Girl, and also share this video with your friends because why not, man? Like, just do it. And also subscribe because there'll definitely be more Oh My Girl content coming to you guys in the future, so subscribe for that. And yeah, other than that, I hope you guys have a great day and just keep on smiling. And adios!